Well, hello guys, my name is Nick from Nickstoygarage and welcome to the Painted Pink Challenge. Yes, it's the third annual Painted Pink Challenge, the first time I'm actually joining, but in total we have over 40 channels joining. Painted Pink is to raise awareness for breast cancer. So I'm doing 2 cars in total today. One now the Excalibur, which you're seeing right now, and in about 12 hours a Rolls Royce from Corgi Toys. This one is a Majorette. Now, after both videos are done, I'm going to link the eBay listing in the description down below. It's an auction, and every proceed made from this auction is going straight to the breast cancer awareness program. So if you have any spare change and want an Excalibur or a Rolls Royce, please bid. If you're just going to bid and not pay, just stay away, please. It is for a good cause, so I hope we raise a little bit of money for breast cancer awareness. Now, like I said, today we're doing a Majorette Excalibur. It's missing the soft top, but oh well, I don't have it and I think it looks quite good without it. So that's why I decided to restore it. First, drilling out the rivet in the front. I love the Majorettes. Just drill out the rivet and they just literally pop open by themselves. The base plate goes on off, we're not there yet. The wheels go off, they're not really a spring in this model, because it is a quite intricate design, if I do say so myself. Next, I take my handy dandy screwdriver and pop off the exhaust, which is attached to the spare wheel on each side. And also this mechanism holds in the windshield, which is, well, it's well made, but it's pretty strange. Next, when that is all out, I flip it over again, take my handy dandy screwdriver, and just pop out the little logo in the front, the Excalibur logo, I guess, and the massive grille with the beautiful looking headlights. Just like a pop. Thank you. Just like that. So let's get to the most satisfying step of every restoration. It's the sand blasting cabinet. I spend about a minute in here just to remove every single, well, not every single, most of the paint on the base plate and on the model itself. There it is, the base plate is clean and the model is paintless. Next, it's time to take my dental pick. There's always a little bit of paint left in the nooks and crannies, so I take my dental pick and scrape it right off. Next, it's time for primer. Like always, a fine surface primer by Tamiya in grey. Doing 2 coats in total, leaving between 5 minutes and 10 minutes for the first coat to dry and about 24 hours for the second coat to harden out. Well, when that's all set and done, a quick little spoiler, I changed my mind midway through this video. Right here you're going to see that I choose a TS7 Racing White, which I'm going to spray on right now. Spoilers, is not going to stay this color, as I was going to do a 2-tone white and pink, but it turned out horrible. It just was a mess, and you will see it in the later bit of video, but I'm just doing something else. So there is the pink going on. As you can see, I expertly taped it off the white. Again, for the white and the pink, 2 coats in total, 5 to 10 minutes for the first and 24 hours for the second coat to totally harden out. Next, it's time to take off my masking tape, which is kind of useless because this color is not staying. But I think you can kind of start to see where things went wrong. We had a little bit of overspray here and there, we had a little bit of paint chips, paint missing. Even though I used proper paint masking tape, I suck at things like that. Oh well. For the fun and giggles, I decided to paint on the side markers, because at that point I still was going forward with this model. And afterwards I was going to chrome the tops, so we have a side, the side of the marker is orange. Next, the base plate, I have some plans with this one, so this thing is going to be black, because I want to give this thing some nice proper details. Again, 2 coats, 24 hours for the second coat to harden out. Then the chrome marker, the liquid chrome marker, which I do my detailing with. I just take the base plate and paint in the leaf springs, the Trans Axle, I think it's called, Excellent from the front and the back. The gearbox, I think, is also in the back, or the engine. I'm not sure. The thing that's in the back, which I'm now painting chrome, and paint obviously the front and rear bumper. Also, there was a piece of the bumper missing from the rear as well, so I evened it out on both sides, so it looked quite good. There you can see me painting in the tops of the blinkers, and obviously the wheels get a chrome polish. Next, clean out the interior because this one is getting painted, and straighten out the Excalibur logo on the top of the magnificent looking grille. Then the grille, the exhaust and the side tires get a chrome paint job. And the interior itself gets a white paint job. Spoilers, I'm going to repaint the tires in black because, well, I don't like the way it looked. So, ditching the original white and pink design, I just went full on pink, and I think it looks 1.5 million times better. Also off camera I blackened the wheels, and now I'm doing the chrome rims so they match the 4 other wheels, obviously. Next, it's time for the reassembly, obviously off camera, because, well, cameraman Nick isn't the greatest with his new mat. That's the underground. I'm not really sure where my camera is pointed, and with the new ring light I don't really see my camera, so that's always fun. So a last step is to place in the wheels, tires and axles, and then glue the model together. So let's take a look at it before the restoration. It was all disgusting, white and broken. And let's take a look at it after the restoration in a couple seconds, excuse me. Also, don't forget to go to the link in the description down below for the eBay auction. It's all for charity. Thanks for watching the Painted Pink challenge. Make sure to watch the other channels. Please leave a like, subscribe, and a special thanks to every single one of my Patreons. Bye.